At the end of your essay, you put a reference list or a bibliography. I am Erik Hemming, and I work as a senior lecturer at the Åland University of Applied Sciences. So, if it looks good, it looks maybe like this. It's not perfect, but for a student, it's not bad. So, how do you get this to play out in Word? Well, you click on the References tab, as you can see up here at the orange arrow, and then you select Manage Sources within this field that comes up below. And Manage Sources, it produces then this window in the center of your screen. And in this window you can do many things. You first need to select the type of source that you are going to register. And the types of sources can be found at the top of the window, as you can see here. And in this case I have selected websites because this is a very common type of source. And when you have clicked on website, then it's going to look a bit like this here. Then you are supposed to fill in all the fields there, otherwise it's not going to come out okay. And except the month and day, I think, of when the website was updated last, which is normally written at the bottom of the website. Because if you register that, then it's not going to look good in the bibliography at the end of your essay. But all the other fields are supposed to go there, and of course the URL at the bottom, it is something that you paste in. Maybe you can paste in other information as well. And the bibliography entry, it will show at the bottom of this window. If the author is a person, or maybe 2 or 3 people, then you are better off using the edit button in the window, because otherwise the computer is not going to know what was the first name or the last name, which is important. If it is not a person, then you click the corporate author box in this field here that comes up. It is not only for books, it can be web pages too. So then when you have registered the information that goes for all the sources that you have used, then you can, or not all of them perhaps, maybe a few of them, then you can click on the insert citation, button under the references tab. And then you will have the whole list of the references that you have already registered. It will come up and you just select the one that you want to use, putting the cursor in the right place, of course. And as you can see here, then it will come out in a short version here, an in-text reference with the names of the authors and the year. And that is something you also use in a figure caption, as you can see in this field here. And when you have done all of those things, then you can go to the References tab again. And if you put the cursor after the conclusion in your text, you can then insert the bibliography, which is done by clicking on bibliography up there in the tool pane, and then you go to insert bibliography, as you can see here, and it comes out the way it should. And of course, if you have made a problem, if you have made a mistake, then you can fix that easily, and you can insert the bibliography again, or just update the field with a mouse click, the right mouse click then. So this is basically how you use the references in Word. I hope this was helpful. See you. Bye.